This family-run business grew out of the success of their ancestors who worked as amateur bankers, protecting the valuables of everyone in their nearby community. This role in the society was held for over 4 generations by the Jane family, gaining trust and respect. It was from this beginning that the Jane family decided to take their earnings to start producing beautiful jewelry for their local people. With the 3rd generation of the family, the jewelry side to the family business began to swell with the use of precious stone, diamonds and platinum. They are now internationally respected jewelers with stores in over 70 countries throughout the world. Watch this advertisement to learn a bit more about Diamonds Factory, such about how they work, where they source their diamonds from, and how they price their products. Customer services. Diamonds Factory offers various different types of jewelry both by type and by occasion, and these categories are presented on the website home page. Each of these present the option of designing your own, with a list and drawing of the possible designs. Firstly, in the engagement rings category there are 7 possible styles: classic solitaire, halo rings, side stone rings, 3-stone, vintage, matching sets and cluster engagement ring, as well as the option of 10 different stone shapes such as round, emerald, oval, pear and heart. The available metals for this category are white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, platinum and yellow with white gold or rose with white gold. There are also 13 available setting types, of which the most common is 4-prong. The second category is diamond rings, which offers 13 different styles: 2, 3, 5, 7 stone, half, full eternity, eternity rings, petite, black diamond, cluster, men's, fashion and delicate, as well as 9 options of stone shapes, with similar options to the engagement rings, and the same available metals and same setting types. The wedding category consists of 7 different styles: 4 for her, plain, diamond, contemporary and shaped, and 3 for him, plain, diamond and contemporary. There are 4 available shapes: round, princess, baguette and mixed shapes, and 4 available metals: white gold, yellow gold, rose gold and platinum, and finally 9 setting types. The earrings category offers 9 different styles: stud, halo, black diamond, drop, cluster, hoop, designer, journey and delicate, 11 stone shapes, the same 4 metal types as the wedding options and 11 setting types. The pendant category consists of 11 styles: solitaire, halo, cross, black diamond, circle, journey, cluster, heart, designer, delicate and drop, 7 stone shape styles, 4 metal types and 10 setting types. Finally, the bracelet category offers 5 styles: tennis, designer, delicate, bangles and charms, with 3 stone shapes, 4 metals and 8 setting types. Share your opinion in a customer review. Complaints, tips or feedback. Strengths and weaknesses. Have you ever bought a ring from the Diamonds Factory? If so, share your thoughts here to let other potential customers know whether or not to trust their quality and services. How do the customers of Diamonds Factory feel about their jewelry? Read and write customer reviews about engagement rings, earrings and pendants. Reviews Diamonds Factory. If you are considering buying from this company but don't know what they sell or what to actually expect from the quality of their products, read on and check out some customer reviews. Visit britonviews.co.uk and leave your honest review about Diamonds Factory.